Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is component scan in Spring Framework. There is an annotation called component scan, and what is the purpose of that? Component scan, it informs the Spring to automatically discover and declare beans. That means beans in Spring application can now be declared and registered without bean tag. Before Spring 3, you might be knowing that we have to have an XML file and we have to declare beans like this. Okay, so the bean ID with the bean ID and the class. But now you can mark a class, a Java class, using component annotation, controller, service, repository. Then this component scan helps us to scan these classes and register it as a bean in the Spring container. And it scan packages and all of its sub packages, looking for classes that could be automatically registered as beans in the Spring container. I can give you an example. So I have a class called book, and I have marked this class as component, and this component is coming from Spring Framework stereotype. Okay, so now here I have given the package as well for the component scan. This is the component scan annotation, and this is coming from Spring Framework, and I have given here the base package. So what exactly component scan does is it will scan this package. Okay, it will scan this package, and wherever it finds out component, controller, service, repository classes, it will register those classes as a bean in the Spring container. That's what the purpose of component scan means. And component means it indicates it is a bean. Controller means it is a Spring MVC controller. Service means it's a service, defines a service. Repository means it indicates that the class defines a data repository, mainly into DAO layer. Hope this information is useful. Thank you and all the best.